Working with tiny components can be frustrating. Blurry views, low resolution, and poor lighting often make precision tasks like PCB soldering or phone repair much harder than they should be. That's where industrial microscopes make a huge difference. With ultra-clear imaging, powerful zoom, and advanced camera systems, they help you see every detail with accuracy. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best industrial microscopes, perfect for soldering, inspection, and repair work. We researched performance, features, and user feedback to bring you this list. Check the description for links and latest prices. Number 5. YIZHAN 60MP 4K Digital Microscope. The YIZHAN 60MP digital microscope delivers impressive Ultra HD clarity with support for 4K output and up to 150x zoom. It features HDMI, VGA, and USB connectivity, making it easy to connect to monitors or PCs for real-time viewing. The foldable bracket design adds flexibility, while the included remote control allows convenient operation from a distance. Ideal for PCB soldering and electronics repair, it provides sharp detail and stable imaging. With its high-resolution sensor and versatile setup, this microscope is perfect for professionals who need accuracy and convenience. Number 4. Nice Power 48-megapixel 4K Digital Microscope. The Nice Power 48-megapixel microscope offers stunning image quality with ultra-high resolution and smooth 4K output. Equipped with a 150x zoom lens, it allows you to examine fine details on circuit boards with ease. It supports HDMI and USB connections, enabling both live display and PC integration. Built for industrial quality control and soldering tasks, it ensures stable performance and clear visuals. The robust design and user-friendly setup make it a reliable choice for technicians who demand precision and consistency in their daily work. Number 3. ZONGMAI 4K Industrial Microscope Camera. The ZONGMAI Industrial Microscope Camera is designed for precision measurement and repair tasks. With 1080p and 4K support, it delivers clear and detailed visuals for PCB soldering and mobile repair work. Its C-mount compatibility allows you to pair it with different lenses for customized setups. This microscope also supports measurement features, making it useful for inspection and quality control applications. Compact and efficient, it's a great option for users who want flexibility, accurate imaging, and a professional-grade viewing experience. Number 2. HiCloud 48-megapixel Industrial Microscope. The HiCloud 48-megapixel microscope stands out with its powerful imaging system and up to 130x zoom capability. It supports HDMI and VGA output, providing smooth and lag-free display on larger screens. Designed for PCB repair and soldering, it offers sharp visuals and reliable performance. The monocular design with C-mount lens compatibility allows easy upgrades and adjustments. Whether for industrial inspection or electronics repair, this microscope delivers a balance of clarity, performance, and flexibility for demanding users. Number 1. Eakins 7x to 90x Trinocular Stereo Microscope. The Eakins 7x to 90x Trinocular Microscope is the most advanced option on this list, offering professional-grade performance and versatility. It features a simulfocal design, allowing you to view through eyepieces while streaming video simultaneously. The included 4K HDMI and USB camera delivers crystal-clear imaging, ideal for detailed PCB work and phone repairs. With a wide zoom range and stable build quality, it ensures precision and comfort during long sessions. This is the ultimate choice for professionals seeking top-tier clarity and reliability. If you need precision, clarity, and reliability for soldering or repair work, these industrial microscopes are excellent choices. From compact digital models to advanced trinocular systems, each offers great performance and value. Pick the one that fits your needs and take your work to the next level.